Hi everyone, I am Raghuram Singh. I am your course instructor for CAD laboratory. The main objective of this laboratory is to design components which we are going to manufacture. Basically, you might have studied 2D drawings and converted into 3D drawing and assembly. So you might have drawn it in machine drawing. So here we are going to use a software called as Creo Parametric 2.0. So we are going to design the part and we are going to assemble the part and convert that 3D part into 2D or 2D into 3D. So the main objective of this CAD laboratory is that to understand and interpret drawings of machine components so as to prepare assembly drawing either manually or using standard CAD packages. That is Creo Parametric 2.0, that is the software which you are going to use. And to familiarize with Indian standards on drawing practices and standard components. So the commands which you are going to use it in the software package is that 3D part modeling. For doing a 3D part modeling, you should do protrusion, cut, sweep, draft, lob, blend, and main thing you will be drawing it in a sketch. And then if you extrude, you will be getting the 3D part. And for editing, you will be using move, pattern, mirror, round, and center. After drawing, then what you have to do is creating a part, then you have to assemble the part. So that is creating assembly from parts and converting that 3D solid model to 2D or 2D to 3D. So whatever views we need, so whether you need a front view, top view or side view, or an assembled view, or projected view, or whatever it is. And we have a surface modeling where for different types of components, and file import and export. Some introduction to importing the file and exporting the file. After creating the drawing, then what we have to do, we have to create an A2 or A4 sheet where we have all the required information. For that we have to create a bill of materials and tolerance data sheet. And finally, for the analysis part, we are going to calculate the calculation of mass moment of inertia. So these are the list of experiments which is listed in the CAD laboratory syllabus. So we are going to use Pro-E, that is nothing advanced. This is the old version. Now we are going to use Creo Parametric 2.0. The components which we are going to design is simple 3D drawings. And the main thing is sleeve and quarter joint, universal coupling, flange coupling, plumber block, screw jack and knuckle joint. So if we have time, we will draw Mizunoi stuffing box and etc. So this is the exact software where we are going to design the product, Creo Parametric 2.0. So this is the screen how it will look like, and we will see the commands and tools in the next video.